joints, range of motion. Anong goniometer? May number na siya kung ano ka araw ang angle bla kung ano lang kaya ya ilisuon. Okay. Joint motion, no tenderness, crepitation is an audible and palpable crunch of grating that accompanies movement. It occurs when the cartilage of joints is worn off and the articular surface in the joints are rough. We aragin sa osteoarthritis. Galagtok, crepity. Muscle testing, test the muscle strength, muscle each joint, repeat motion visited for active ROM, muscle testing. Okay, muscle strength is equal bilateral and fully resist opposing force. Okay, very good. Temporomandibular joint or jaws. Okay, jaws mar, amorsal, charot. Temporomandibular joint or jaws, panga. Okay. While the patient is in seated position, nakapungko, inspect the area just anterior the ear. Guys, damo siya. Blah, blah, blah. Open the mouth widely, blah, blah. Pero, place the two tips in front of each ear and ask the patient to amana. Dali lang no, kaptan mo. Tapos, nga. Ah, tsura ko naman. Ara na. Amana, pababa na diyo. Dali. Ariyo. Temporomandibular joint. Ari na lang oh. Nan. Diyo. Nan. Uh, wait. Place the two fingers or the press area of the joint. Feel smooth movement on the body and ask the patient to follow open the mouth mildly. There is vertical motion of jaw, of course, kitaon. The measure of the space between the upper and lower incisor is 3 to 6 cm. Three fingers inserted sideways. Partially open mouth, protrude lower jaw, and move it side to side. Okay. There is lateral movement of the jaw. Okay. Integrity, cranial nerve 5, trigeminal nerve. Na, diri ha, tandaan. Trigeminal nerve. Cranial nerve number 5. Kaya nga, aga pa mo na siya. 5, di ba V? Di ko sa Roman numeral, V is 5. Tandaan ha, cranial nerve number 5. Ano? Charan. Ano the ba papapasnap usually occur as mouth opens, capitus, temporomandibular. Raman liwat-liwat. Joint um, assessment. Hindi assessment. Sige be. Kaptan niya na gina mo. Nan, siya gid ni. Hara siya. Na, ma'am, sir, wala, wala pa kanon mo dahil bubog. Charot, bubog. Bodilya. Wala, wala. Okay, very good. Next, cervical spine or neck. Okay, cervical spine or neck. Pila na ko? Okay. Normal finding, the spine should be straight, of course, and head erect, spinous process, sternocleidomastoid, trapezius, vertebral muscles. Head is tilted to one side, kitakilid, hindi siya tadlong, kay kitakilid, asymmetry of muscles, okay? Tenderness and hard muscles with spasm. Normal finding, flexion of the cervical spine is 45 degrees. Flexion of the neck, flex 45 degrees. Kaya 45 degrees, okay? Lift the chin towards ceiling. Normal finding, kaya 55 degrees. Hyperextend. Mag-hyperextend, extend, hyperextend 55 degrees. Okay? Touch ear toward the corresponding shoulder. Araw na, kaya na. Tanan ni guys, ara na siya. Lateral bending. The neck is 40 degrees. Turn the chin or each shoulder. Nan, ara. Chin, shoulder. Amo na. Abnormal finding, limited ang ROM. Of course, hindi niya mahulag. Limited lang ang ROM niya. Pain, movement with the neck. Abnormal finding. Patient can maintain flexion against full resistance. This test also assess the function of the cranial nerve 11. Cranial nerve 11. Accessory nerve. Kaya nga, guys, 'di ba, ano ginasoksok na diya mga sa ginasoksok, 'di ba, accessories. So, the accessory nerve, cranial nerve number 11. Next, upper extremities. Okay. Sige, upper extremities, shoulders, elbows, wrists, and hands. Okay, shoulders, inspect kung bare both shoulders, kaptande. Okay, kung tupong kung hindi, check the size and contour of the joints sa diri sa shoulders kung tupong or hindi. Normal findings, no redness, muscular atrophy, familiar. Okay, redness, unequal bony landmarks. Ano lang ni shoulders lang ni, gabi ba? Unequal bony landmarks dapat equal siya. Of course, muscle atrophy, nagamay nga muscle, base iya per mil niya tuo ginagamit ya. Swelling from excess fluid. Okay. Palpate both shoulders. Start at the clavicle and explore at the acromyoclavicular joint. The scapula, greater tubercle, blah, blah, blah. Palpate the pyramid shape axilla. Pyramid shape axilla. Ario. Para hindi tasagay na ara siya. Okay. Normal findings, no muscular spasm, abnormal findings, swelling, same lang man sila mag, ano. Elbows, oh, nari. Inspect the size, contour elbow is both flex and extended positions. Same lang man guys, kung paano ta mag, ano, normal findings, the tissue, fat pads feel fairly solid. Abnormal findings of baggy, fluctuant, may local heat or redness, kapula. Next, wrist and hands. Inspect the hands on the wrist, dorsal palmar size, noting position, contour, and shape. The wrist is in slight extension position. Pwede na eh. Slight extension. The fingers can flex efficiently. Mga normal lang guys, normal findings. Abnormal findings, ari na kita. Kay balaan nyo na si normal. Subluxation of the wrist. Ulnar deviation. Ulna. Di ba mo ning radius? Ulna. Deviate siya. Diga mo na. Ankylosis, Dupuytren's contracture. Ano tsura ya? Yan. No. Santo Niño. Ano ba na? Okay. Ito tsura ko man. Diba? Sanag. Okay. Dupuytren's contracture. Ara siya. Nan. Si swan neck or boutonniere's deformity. Ara. Gamot. Kabudlay mo naman. Asal ka muna siya guys na. Kaya nga, daw swan siya. Swan neck. Okay, ara. Atrophy of the thinner eminence, ganglion wrist, synovial swelling or dorsum, general swelling, tenderness, test the row M for muscle strength. Okay, spine, the patient should be standing with gown on, open at the back, perform inspection and note the following. Normal findings, the spine is straight, following an imaginary vertical line. Ang straight ang spine, line sa likod, from head through the spinous process and down through the gluteal cleft sa buli. Okay? Mag-check kita, nagkatalikod, ang gown open, dapat straight siya, panaog, hasta sa buli. Okay, abnormal findings, guys. A difference in shoulder elevation. Dira pa lang dan, makita nyo, gatakilid na ang baga. Shoulder elevation. Iliac crest indicates scoliosis. Scoliosis, gaes siya. So, meaning, taas ang isa or kagnubo ang isa. Ano na siya? Kay gaes. Okay? From the side, observe the normal convex thoracic curve, concave lumbar curve, and thoracic curve. Kyphosis is common in elderly. Kyphosis, kay nga aring kyphosis, guys, oh. Gaduko siya, ang tawabla. Harao sa mga tigulang, blah, di ba na gamo ng mga tigulang, kyphosis, kaya nga guys, kafoy na sila, okay, kafoy sis, okay, elderly, kafoy na sila sa mga buhi, gina sa puti, sila sa kabuhi, okay, kafoy sis, okay, mga nursing students, gina sa puti, sa kabuhi, sang exam, sang ret dem tanan-tanan, pero waay kita mahimo, okay, palangga ta, aton ginikanan, aton pamilya, aton kurso, okay, kafoy sis, ga, duko. Lordosis. Feeling niya lord siya. Anong obras ang lordosis, guys? Baliskad sila ya. Araw, gakaya siya ya. Lordosis. Normal posture, lordosis. Charan, araw. Nando gakaya. Mga mga usually normal usually ara na siya sa mga um tambok or obese. Kaya di ba dako sila? So ang tiyan nila. So lordosis. Okay, obese. Common sa mga obese people. Okay, abnormal findings sa talateting and forward bending curve with herniated nucleus pulposus slip disc. Do palpation of spinous process. Normally, they are straight and not tender. Then palpate the paravertebral muscles. They should feel firm with no tenderness or spasm. Assess the ROM of the spine and maneuvers. Yay! Lower extremities. Lower extremities, inspect the hip joint, dili together with the spine with the patient is in standing position. Sa nagatindog pa lang ko siya, i-check nyo na daan ng hip, of course, pati ina, basi gatakilid man. Not symmetric levels of iliac crest, gluteal folds, and equal sized buttocks. Palpate the joints, hip joints, palpate man gyapon. Sa abnormal findings, guys, of course, hindi nyo, pain on palpation, presence of crepitus, lagtok. Assess ROM and muscle strength testing. ROM, range of motion. Okay, kaya yung mag-flex, kaya mag-extend, abduct. Okay? Knee, sa tuhod, guys, the patient is placed in supine position, gahigda na siya. Kay ma-check ka na sang knee. Okay, with legs extended or knees flex. Perform inspection of feeling skin and lower leg alignment. Abnormal findings, agglutation deformity. Ano tsura yan na? Araw. Ah, na, baka. Angulation deformity. Angulation deformity. Anong angulation deformity? Angular deformity. The bare weight of the body legs are designed to center the weight in a direct axis. Hip, knees, and when the knees bend inward, knees Harvard, it is called knee angular deformity. So, baka guys, nara siya. Okay? Angulation deformity. Ang angolya nag-deform. Amo lang, knees shape and contour. Abnormal findings, hollows, disappear, then they may bulge, sign of a thickening with fusion, quadriceps, quadsya, guys, anterior. Note for atrophy, muscles gamay. Atrophy, muscles kagamay. Muscle mass, loss of muscle mass, kay may loss siya, so gagamay siya. Indicates disease of chronic disorders, blah blah. Perform palpation, assess ROM. Okay. Ankle and foot, ankle, tiyo, charot, ankle guys, hindi ankle and foot sa TL, sa dalom. Inspect when the patient is in a sitting, non-weight bearing position, then when standing and walking. Compare both feet, noting position of feet and toes, contour of joints and skin characteristics. Normal finding, the foot should align with the lower leg. Of course, dapat tadlong siya. Okay, an imaginary line would fall from mid-patella between the interphalangeal joints on the medial and lateral sides of toes. Assess ROA and muscle strength test.